Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to upload high quality photos to Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to upload high quality photos to Facebook, first open up your Facebook app, and from over here guys, at the top right corner of your screen you can see your profile picture icon with the three-lined icons just below the messenger icon. Tap on that three-lined icon, and over here again tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen, and over here scroll down until you can find the media option just below the language and region. Tap on media, and over here guys you can see where it says the video quality, and there are two options. If your option is chosen to the data saver one where it says the use of the 40% less data by reducing video quality, make sure to choose optimize, then you will start to upload high quality photos to Facebook. With that being done guys, and make sure also that your capturing device, which is a camera or your phone, is at the highest quality possible if you want to upload the high quality photos to Facebook. And with that, both of these settings being done on your phone or your camera and the Facebook app, you will start to upload high quality photos to Facebook. And guys, this is how to upload high quality photos to Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.